Old cars weren't faster, but they lasted forever. They were built simple, less electronics, fewer sensors. Bigger engines, less pressure, lower stress. Modern engines are smaller, turbocharged, and constantly stressed. Now, one failed sensor can disable the whole car. Yeah, the system is down. It's a nightmare. Just fix it. Old cars needed tools. New cars need software. Less complexity means fewer things that can fail. Modern cars are smarter, but not built for decades. Would you choose old reliability or new technology? This new tech is confusing, but it might be the future.